Okay, in this video we're looking at the area formula. So there it is, got a sine in it, it's wonderful. And this area formula works for any nice triangles, not just like nice flat triangles where we know the base and height. So let's apply this area formula. Area is half AB sine of C. Now, when you use the area formula, you do just have to be careful that you label the angle as C, and then you can label the other two sides however you want. So when you apply this, the sides have to sort of trap the angle in between them, and that's how you want the area formula to work. If we had the angle like over here, it wouldn't work because we would have the wrong sides. So we get half times 2 times 3 times sine of 40, and then that is something that you can just pop into a calculator. Make sure you're in degrees if you're not going to set up and down to degrees there. So we got 1 over 2 times 2 times 3 times sine of 40. Bam, 1.93. Centimeters squared because we're measuring in centimeters originally. Okay, find the area of this triangle. We can go for the same thing. Area is half AB sine C. So half times the two sides times sine of the angle that's trapped in between the two sides. So that's 90 in this case. Okay, so let's see what we get. So there we go, 102 times 6 times 8 times sine of 90. And what do you know? It's 24. Yeah, that is the, I guess, the half AB sine C formula. But this is a right angle triangle. So we can actually go half base times height for this one as well. And we'll see if we can get the same result. So if we do that, half times, well, the base is 8 and the height is 6. So that's going to be, let's work it out. 24 meters squared. Now, this only works if we have like a flat triangle. This one works for all triangles. So the half AB sine C is much more powerful. The reason that you can use this formula is because if you look at sine of 90, that's actually just 1. So when the triangle is nice and flat like this one here, that just equals 1. That's the height and that's the base. Other way around, that's the base and that's the height. But the point is it still works. But the sine version is a bit more powerful than that old formula we used to know.